10 most expensive substances on Earth. Gold is not even in the list. Antimatter. Antimatter is the most expensive material on this planet. Do you know what is the cost of 1 gram of antimatter? $60 to $100 trillion. Yes, you heard that right. In years to come, antimatter could possibly fuel spaceships to the planets and maybe the stars. But for now, very small amounts of antimatter are produced as there is currently no way of storing it. The production of antimatter is quite expensive and requires some of the most advanced technology. Californium. Discovered in California in the year 1950, californium is the most expensive chemical element ever. 1 gram of californium costs around $10 to $27 million. A radioactive chemical element, californium, is used in detecting gold and silver in ores and devices that find layers of oil and water in oil wells. It can also help in treating certain forms of cancer. No wonder this chemical element is worth so much money. Painite. A very rare borate mineral, painite was first discovered in Myanmar by Arthur C.D. Payne. He first misidentified it as ruby. In the 1950s, it was recognized as a new gemstone. It is thought to be the rarest gem mineral and is worth $300,000 per gram. Their rarity makes them expensive. The gem features a red, brownish or orange-red hue. This gem holds the Guinness World Record for being not just the rarest gemstone but also the rarest mineral on Earth. Diamond. Can the list of most expensive anything really be complete without the mention of diamonds? Natural diamonds have long been prized for their beauty. Despite not being the rarest, diamonds are one of the most expensive gemstones in the world. You'll be surprised to know that a colorless, 1-carat diamond can cost you more than $65,000 per gram. For obvious reasons, man-made equivalents are also a lot cheaper to buy. Tritium. One of the most expensive materials on Earth, tritium is forged in the hearts of atomic reactors by irradiating lithium metal or lithium-bearing ceramic pebbles. A super-heavy type of hydrogen, tritium is also a key component for fueling some atomic weapons. And it is also used for glow-in-the-dark stuff and self-illuminating signs. 1 gram of tritium cost $30,000 per gram. Tarphite stone. An incredibly rare gemstone, tarphite has recently become desirable by collectors. This gemstone is so rare that if all the discovered ones are bought together, it would only fill half a cup. It is 1,000,000 times rarer than diamonds. It is beautiful and rare but not very popular when it comes to jewelry. Maybe that is why it is cheaper than diamonds. The cost per gram of a tarphite stone is $20,000. Grandidierite. A rare mineral first discovered in 1902 in southern Madagascar, the finest quality grandidierite stones can fetch thousands of dollars per carat, $20,000 to be precise. This mineral's color ranges from cyan to turquoise or bluish green. This rare mineral was named in honor of Alfred Grandidier, a French explorer who studied the natural history of Madagascar. Solaris. Believed to be the most expensive medicine in the world, Solaris cost around $13,880 per gram. It finds its use in treating rare and life-threatening disease, atypic hemolytic uremic syndrome. This life-threatening disease destroys RBCs more quickly than normal. You'll be surprised to know that a year's treatment could cost a whopping $569,000. It is also used in treating other diseases, including paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, generalized myasthenia gravis, and neuromyelitis optica. Plutonium. A radioactive chemical element, plutonium, makes things atomic. There are two kinds of this radioactive chemical element that can be used for either military purposes or atomic reactors. An actinide metal of silver gray appearance, plutonium tarnishes when exposed to air. The cost of 1 gram of plutonium is around $4,000 to $6,000. LSD. A psychedelic narcotic, the crystal form of LSD costs about $3,000 per gram. Lysergic acid diethylamide or LSD was discovered by Albert Hofmann in Switzerland in the year 1938. His intention was to create a substance that would be useful as a psychological remedy. This substance is known to cause hallucinations. The manufacturing process of this substance is quite difficult, and that is why it is expensive.